Hi, welcome. This is a presentation for the homework 3 of the CSC 591 Devops course at NC State. So, the main aim of this homework is to demonstrate building infrastructure and various capabilities such as proxy servers. So, the required functionalities in this assignment are to complete the set and get part, to complete the recent and complete the uploading pictures, and to provide an additional server instance running, and also to demonstrate the proxy. So let us take a look at each of these individually, and then we'll also take a look at this how it works through the proxy. So if we see the workshop, so the first goal is to set two routes get and set in the in a HTTP server on our system. So initially let's just start one server on the port, let's say 3000. So if we go to the port 3000, so right now there's a HTTP server running on port 3000. So now when we go to the root set, the key, this has to be set. So let's say now we go to set. So we are on port 3000 currently, and the key has been set. So if we go to get, so this message, the key which we set has been displayed here. And so if we refresh this right now, since the 10 seconds time has lapsed, the message has been deleted from this web page, from Redis. Since it's been deleted from Redis, we cannot view it on the web page. So that completes the first part, wherein we have to set the set and get routes. The next part of the assignment is to create a new route recent which shows the last 5 routes in visited routes. So right now if we go to recent, it shows us recent, get, set, and our route path, since these are the 5 paths which we have gone recently. So if we refresh this, then we get another recent, since that is another site in the cache. So that shows us the 5 recently visited sites in our cache. So the next part of the assignment is to implement two routes, upload and meow. Uploads a picture to our particular server. So let's say we perform this curl on this web server. So now we have uploaded a picture to this server, and we need to be able to view that once we go to the route meow. So this is a picture which we've just uploaded of a cat looking really grumpy. So, and that completes the part for this. That completes the objective for this part. So moving on to the next part. The next part of the homework is to run an additional instance on a different port. So we just run another server with this port number. So right now if we take a look, localhost 3000 also runs another server. We can perform different functions on it, such as set and then get, and then maybe then, so we can also see that this expires after a few seconds, like say 10 seconds. Yep, there they go. So, and it's expired. And then we can also show that recent, recent has also works. So now this is another additional instance which completes the requirement for this. Now in order to create a proxy that will request that will deliver requests to localhost, from localhost / to localhost 3000 and 3001, we create a proxy server on the port 80, since and also this needs sudo permission, since all the port numbers from 1 to 1024 are reserved, and after that we redirect any of the requests to 3000 and 3001. So let's start a proxy server. Let's say so we start this with sudo node proxy.js. So this starts our proxy server, and right now, so if we go to localhost, so initially it goes to server port 3000, but the assignment states that it should uniformly deliver requests to 3000 and 3001. So the next request should go to 3001, which it actually does. So the requests always alternate between 3000 and 3001, as we can see it changing here. So let's take a look at how this works with all the requirements of the assignment. So the first requirement is to use the set and get commands. So since it's on 3001 right now, let's say we execute the set command. It should work on the port 3000, and it should set the key in our Redis server, which it does. So let's say now we go to get. It should work on 3001. which it does as well. And so the message has been created. So this message will be destructed and destroyed in 10 seconds. And then if we go to get again, then it should go to the port 3000 and the message shouldn't show up. So which, if we do that, that is exactly what happens. So if we take a look at the next requirement, which is recent, if we go to recent, since the port now is 3000, the next one is going to be 3001. And so it shows the 5 recently visited URLs. And then let's suppose now we upload more pictures. Let's say we upload the morning, and then we upload another picture, and then we upload the ice cream picture as well. So right now we have uploaded 3 pictures to localhost upload. So once we go to Meow, we should be able to see the recently uploaded, which is the ice cream pic. So let's say we go to Meow right now. So we can see that this pic has come up. And then once, if we refresh this pic has now been deleted from the Redis queue. If we refresh this, we see the Harry Potter pic, and then if we refresh this again, we see the grumpy morning cat again. And so since we've deleted all the pictures from the queue, if we refresh this again, it shows the message that there are currently no images to display, since our queue is empty, since we've popped all the images. So this completes the requirement for all the objectives of this assignment. It demonstrates the proxy that since each new request is sent to 3000 and 3001, the requests are uniformly distributed. And also additional service is currently running, wherein we can see the 3001 performs all the services that 3000 performs as well. So and then we have shown the functionality for completing upload and Meow, and for completing recent and completing the set and let. So this completes the requirements for this homework. Thank you.